Monty? Do you want to meet some new friends? You're going to meet Malibu and Kingsley, okay? Right, Monty? Hi, Jingles. Hi, Willow. Are you ready to meet new friends? You want to meet Kingsley and Malibu? I'm going to go get them first, okay? Then I'll let you out. You can meet them. Come on, Kingsley. In the bird room. Ready? Go on. You want to go here? Where do you want to go? Okay, let me go get your friend Malibu. Let's go in the bird room, Malibu. Where's Kingsley? Oh, there he is. Go on. Go join him. Go on. Today's the day where I'm gonna let out my cockatiels to meet Kingsley and Malibu. They've seen them through the cage, but they haven't been out together. Malibu and Kingsley were out with my Budgies. I made a video on that. And they met my Bourkes, my Parakeet, and my Java finches. So today, if you haven't seen those videos, go check them out. I'll put the link down below in the description. The Budgies were really, okay, sorry, Kingsley just landed on me. Up there, buddy. My Budgies really did, were really pesky with them, but they've calmed down since. The Bourkes were fine, everybody else was fine. But I am dying to see what, especially Monty, my cockatiel, will do. He's the boss of the bird room. So I'm gonna let out Jingles and Willows first. I think they'll just mind their own business and then let Monty out. Jingles, Willow, would you like to come out? Oh, there he goes. Alright then. Oh, let's see what happens. Where are they? Okay, they went on their tree. The cockatiels like this tree as well, and so does Kingsley. Kingsley kind of flew over there. Are you afraid of them, Kingsley? Kingsley, what are you doing up there? Are you afraid of the cockatiels? Well, I just missed videoing them fly. They actually were afraid, all of them were afraid of each other because Kingsley went to fly and the cockatiels freaked out and were flying all over the place. I didn't have my camera ready, but that's okay. I won't worry about the birds first. And Malibu's over there. It's when they fly because Kingsley's, he's pretty big, right? He could look like a hawk because my cockatiels are afraid of hawks, of course. But there's Malibu. They're just staying away from each other. I didn't let Monty out yet, as I'm just letting these ones get used to them. I just didn't want too much chaos. What are they doing, Jingles? What's that? Huh? What's that, Willow? They're just minding their own business. Yeah, Jingles is not too worried. He's eating some food. So I want to let Monty out, but I'm just waiting for some calmness. Monty, would you like to come out now? I hope he's okay. I hope he doesn't go after them because, well, he's bigger than the Budgies. The Budgies were pestering them, and Monty's bigger. Monty. Oh boy, who is that? Kingsley? Here, I'm going to put you in the tree with these guys. All right, let's see what Monty does. There we go, Monty. Look at that. Can you see them? Oh, there goes Malibu. Monty looks like he's in a huff. What was that, Monty? He's thinking. He's doing the dance a little bit. Oh, did you see that? He opened his beak when Malibu flew by. Maybe he'll like Malibu because I think Malibu is a female and Monty likes any female bird. There goes Malibu. Malibu keeps flying around. I just wonder if Monty... Woo, Malibu! I'm just wondering if Monty will start flying. Kingsley's still on the other side. Look at Malibu go. Malibu's like a lorikeet or something. Always on the go. Always moving. Hey Malibu, having a good time? Like a monkey. And Kingsley's just sitting there. Kingsley, did you meet Monty? Kingsley's like 3 cockatiels. I don't think I want to meet all 3 right now. Right, Kingsley? I think Monty's just going to be protective of Willow because he likes Willow. Monty. Look at his beak. Monty's beak's always open. Right, Monty? What's that? Is that Malibu? Just want you all to get along so you can all have a good time, okay? Malibu's really going. Hey, Malibu! Whee! Like a monkey. So far, Monty's just sitting here. He's probably thinking what his next strategy is. Well, that was Jingles. Jingles just flew up on top there. Whoa! They're all flying around now. See, they're just afraid when they fly because Malibu and Kings are pretty big. But Monty stayed put. What do you think, Monty? Monty's trying to make himself look tall. Hey? Who are you, Willow? So it's a half an hour later, and Monty and Willow are over here, and there's Malibu. Malibu just took off. Where's Jingles? Oh, there's Jingles. Hi, Jingles! What are you doing there? Want to stay away from them, huh? Everybody's just keeping their distance. So maybe it'll be okay in the long run. Once they get used to each other flying around, they won't be so frightened. Oh, they're both preening themselves. Yeah, Monty loves Willow. But Jingles loves Willow too. You got 2 men after you, Willow. Do you think I should let Galaxy out? I think I know for a fact he might bother them. I don't know. Well, if he bothers them, I can always catch them and put them back in the living room for a while. But sometimes he'll bother them for a while and then, you know, stop, just like the Budgies did in the first video. You want to come out? Because he loves the cockatiels, so I'm sure he'll chase Malibu and Kingsley away if they get too close. You want to come out? Okay, I'm a little bit nervous. He's small. He can't do any harm, but I don't want the bigger birds to bite him. So there he is. And there's Malibu over there on the right. Let's see what happens. I'm sure the cockatiels are fine. Look at them. They're just preening. They're not afraid or anything. As long as Kingsley and Malibu don't fly too much. But they'll get used to it. So there's Galaxy up there. Oh, he's getting closer to Malibu. I think as long as Malibu and Kingsley don't come close to the cockatiels, Galaxy will be okay. This Galaxy is protective of the cockatiels, so he'll just chase away anybody. Yeah, Monty, see, Monty doesn't want Galaxy near Willow, but Galaxy likes Willow and Monty, so it's like a love triangle. I got lots of love triangles in the bird room. Uh-oh. Here we go. Monty? There, are you proud of yourself? Monty's proud. Malibu flew away. Monty's the boss. Okay, leave Monty alone. Leave Monty alone, Galaxy. Uh-oh. Oh, look at that. Kingsley and Willow. Oh, it's okay, Willow. I was a little bit afraid. Willow was hissing because Kingsley was beside her. It's okay, Willow. You'll be fine, baby girl. You'll be fine. You get used to everybody, okay? There's Jingles up there. Malibu's still flying around, and they're not freaking out. See? Oh, well, Jingle's kind of left. Willow's still there, but look, he came right back. So I think they'll be okay. Once they get used to each other, it's only been almost like an hour. So I'm sure that in the end, they'll all be okay. Oh, Monty. Is that your tree now? Is that your tree? Yeah. Monty keeps chasing Galaxy and Malibu. No, Monty. Galaxy. Galaxy's almost like a budgie. Just keeps on bugging. Or Monty will tell him off. You tell him, Monty. I know he's a pest sometimes. But Malibu's not going to hurt you. Oh, here they go. Let's see what happens. Yikes. Oh! Kingsley's on my phone. Kingsley, what are you doing? Here we go again. See, they fly so frantically. Oh, Malibu landed where Monty is. He came back though. Look at this, we're on the same tree. Malibu, you want a tree? Wave. Atta girl. Kingsley, wave. Well, it's been about an hour and a half. Everybody seems a little bit more calmer, especially when they fly. Oops, let's see what happens now. Maybe I lied. Whee! Oh, not not too bad. They only flew one time. Monty's still up there and Willow's up there. Kingsley stayed there. Malibu's up here. Someone's behind me. Jingles is behind me. Whoa! Whee! Oh, they're getting exercise anyway. Sprinkles, do you want out? Okay, I'm going to let Sprinkles out. Come on, buddy. Oh, you're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. Yes, you are. You're such a good boy, aren't you? You see those bigger birds up there? Okay, don't go be pesky with them. He's not, though. He's the sweetest lovebird. He doesn't even know he's a lovebird. He's so sweet compared to other lovebirds. Aren't you, baby boy? What are you doing to my hand? Oh, you're trying to feed me. It's hormone season. Here we go, buddy. Look at that. Oh, he's going to go hang around with the cockatiels. And Galaxy had to chase him away because he thinks he owns the cockatiels. Look at Galaxy. Oh, Galaxy. Love triangle. No, these two are just sitting here. Hi, Sprinkles. Oh, they're gonna fly now. That was Jingles. Malibu's getting closer to Sprinkles. Sprinkles has an itch. Uh-oh, he's starting to regurgitate. He's going to regurgitate to Malibu? He just keeps scratching. I guess he's nervous. What are you doing, Sprinkles? Oh no, look at this, look at this, look at this. Yeah, he's dancing. He likes her. Malibu must be a female. Oh no, again, Sprinkles likes males too, so he wants to feed her. He's gonna do his dance. Nice, you be nice. Sprinkles is sure as excited with those dance moves. What are you doing, Sprinkles? You found a new friend? Trying to, oh look at this, trying to fix up his hair, I guess. What are you doing, Sprinkles? Galaxy broke it up. Sprinkles. You like Malibu, huh? Oh, Malibu doesn't like you, apparently. So make sure you check out the other two videos of Kingsley and Malibu meeting my Budgies in the first video, and then my Bourke Parakeets in the second video. And then I let out the Parakeet, and I let out the Java Finches, and now they've met the Cockatiels and my Lovebird. And my Lovebird wants to feed Malibu. So make sure you put on your notifications and subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss any more bird room drama.